A good camera allows you to photograph life's moments, from daily activities to special occasions to social media pics and selfies. Today's cameras are digital, but the old school style of using film is still around. An instant camera allows you to not only use film, but it'll produce the photo on the spot. No printer or PC required. You'll get great quality shots that can be saved or produced. Of course, there are so many options and models on the market, so we've done the research for you and have compiled a list of the best instant cameras available. Get one now and start preserving your essential memories. And now let's begin. At number 1 is the instant camera from Sharper Image. If you want one for yourself or you plan to give it to someone as a present, this product easily meets a smaller budget. Most customers rave about how it exceeded their expectations given its price. With a single click, this instant camera gives you a memory that captures those experiences you don't want to forget. You can use Fujifilm Insta Mini Twin Film, which is super easy to reload. This instant camera has an image viewfinder that'll help you frame your shot. With this important feature, you can capture high-quality images without wasting anything. With its 1/60th second shutter speed, you can quickly find and take all the shots you want. You can take pictures from a mid-length distance with its 0.6 meter infinity focal range. If you want to take photos in low-light places, it has an automatic flash. All in all, these features demonstrate its reliability for all of your photo sessions. Purchase includes a camera strap that helps in securely carrying it around while in transit. You'll never lose or misplace the camera with this handy accessory. The instant camera size is perfect for both teenagers or adult hands. Children may need some assistance when using it. Get one today or get it as a gift, you won't be sorry. At number 2 is the Instax Mini 9 from Fujifilm. It's a trusted brand from a famous Japanese company that continues to produce great products, and you can expect nothing but the best. This instant camera has a compact design and can easily fit into any bag, so you can have it with you anywhere. It has 4.56 inches in length and 2.68 inches wide. It's 1.65 inches in height. As a handy camera, you can quickly take pictures of important moments. This instant camera with its 60mm lens offers 2 inches of fixed focus. It also contains a selfie mirror set in front of the lens that caters to those who love taking selfies. It performs just as well as smartphones, but can print those pictures right away. If you need to take pictures up close, you can use the macro attachment lens for that purpose. It works well for instances where you want to add some dramatic effect to your photos. All of these things are possible with the Instax Mini 9 lenses, which you can vary your shoots just like a typical camera. It also has brightness adjustments that allow you to get the best pictures in sunny, cloudy, or indoor environments. To create softer images, you can use the high key mode to achieve the look. For the lens protection, the instant camera has also got a cover that instantly opens and closes every time you use it. Consider buying one for your child, who will definitely greatly appreciate it as they start their path to being a great photographer. Still don't see the right instant camera for you? Well, stick around, we still have more items to go. Before we continue, we'd like to take the opportunity to ask you to subscribe to our channel and also to click the bell icon to get our newest updates. And now back to our list. At number 3 is the Print-O-Matic digital camera from Kodak. This great camera is sleek and stylish, and it offers you a convenient alternative for preserving essential and memorable moments. You can take pictures without spending a lot of time or money on this product. Customers absolutely love the high quality pictures. It doesn't have Polaroid's typical white borders on it, and it can print water, tear-resistant, and smudge-proof photos. The photos printed from this camera have an adhesive backing, so you can easily stick those images on any surface and preserve your room decoration with this feature. Another feature is allowing you to continually take photos while the camera prints your previous shot. The Zero Ink technology also gives you the freedom from those messy toners, films, and print cartridges. This way you can take both colored and black and white photos with ease. You can also use the flash for taking pictures in dim spots. Young adults will love this instant camera since it has the adhesive backed images that can make a great board decoration. At number 4 is the Ivy Click camera from Canon, another recognized Japanese brand for cameras and photography. This instant camera comes in 3 different colors: yellow, red, and blue. You can choose from these colors according to your personal taste. It can function as your accessory if you want to create that fashionable photographer look. It prints 2 by 3 inch photos with a sticker backing. You can slap these photos on any surface you want. If you want to create multiple copies, this instant camera can do that with a reprint button. This feature allows you to share photos with your friends, especially those memorable events. This instant camera comes with 5 megapixel lens to give you those high quality pictures. The camera also features a selfie mirror to enable you to take those selfie shots. The Ivy Click combines new technology with an old school flair. It can also fit easily in any pocket or bag with its compact design. It comes with a micro security digital card slot so you can save photos for future use. You're going to love this camera's great photos and its instant features. Do you have any comments on this video? Well, write them down and let us know. We'd love to hear your suggestions to improve our content, and we'll do our best to answer any questions you might have. Now let's check out the final item on our list. Our 5th instant camera also comes from Polaroid. It's the camera company that people know and love. This instant camera retains all of its predecessor's capability to print photos right away while presenting itself to the modern updated version. While it looks completely different from Polaroid's previous cameras, it still retains that nostalgic touch remembered by previous generations. It produces classic-looking printed photos, but not high definition. This product stays true to Polaroid's legacy with its color spectrum that'll produce vibrant pictures. It's a little bit of nostalgia wrapped up in today's technology. It even prints your photos with the classic white border. First-time users can easily use this product with its straightforward functionality. It prints pocket-friendly pictures that'll easily fit into any bag or shirt pocket. People can easily preserve their memories with this product. If you want to keep a digital copy, this instant camera also features a micro security digital card slot. It's going to also post those photos on social media. The instant camera can save that for easy uploading. It's 2 by 3 inches and it has adhesive backing to its photos so you can stick them anywhere you want. You can easily have this anywhere with you because of its wrist strap that comes with each purchase. Polaroid fans will surely love this product with all of its new features. And that's a wrap for today's list. Whichever one you choose to get, we hope this list helped you make your purchasing decision. If you found the camera that's right for you, check out the links in the description below and catch it at a discount and free delivery. If there's a product you have in mind you want to see us review next, feel free to leave it in the comments section and our team will get to work to give you the best fair and square review. Click the bell icon before you leave to get quick updates from our channel and subscribe so you can check out more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.